Although I need to comb my hair and fix it, it's been a long day. Aha, la look at that. Oh, okay. Angithanda abantu abaphaphayo. Tavern. Yeah. My brother wants a Heineken or some shit. So ngimkhaphile.
They don't have cookies.
Manje.
The only thing that's sweet is strong warm, but it's warm.
Hell no. I don't want that. Get your shit, let's go.
Nah, we need to vibe.
Nigga, you telling me we came here for nothing?
Come on. There's another one.
There's no other liquor store.
Yeah, let me just buy my Heineken.
Yeah.
Tea, I'm taking tea.
Guys, I am so tired. First of all, I'm back home at 1 a.m. No, around 1:30. No, I'm lying. It was 2. And then we cooked. Nahana cooking at 2:30 because we were hungry. 2:30. Sakata ngabo 3:30. 3:30, 22:04. And then Saga. Umuntu ulale ngo-4. No, I think ulale about 4:30. And then I had to wake up again at 6 a.m. for the funeral. Do you understand? And then tomorrow is my birthday. I am stressed as a motherfucker. The lace of that wig is showing. It's a wig. Like, it's a wig. Guys, a lace wig, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. This means I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit who see abantu bathini, what? Hell no.
They'll fuck people's ass.
Hello. Shut up. None.
That was what?
Why do you have pimples? Puberty.
What the fuck?
Puberty.
That's why.
That's why let's on guys.
I guess it's a boss.
Cozy black ones. Yeah.
Heineken.
And I could have my same.
No. Go over there. Now we are going
Like, I'm trying to block the sun. What will you be doing for your birthday? I do not know, ma'am. Because I only planned. Shut the hand, Ganzan. Who's in host there? Oh, shut the hand. Shut the hand. Angithi boyfriend.
Wena.
Ngiyayifuna kodwa ngiyidingi.
Oh, that's okay. Now I understand.
Yebo.
Ufuna.
What do I not have? That's the question.
That's why I'm asking you. Ufuna.
That's the question.
A fanciest robe, you're gonna say. I have that shit. I want to go and buy you a nice fancy pair of sneakers. You're gonna say I have that. What can I buy you?
You can buy me Louis Vuitton.
Ah, come on. Yo, no. Bro, I want no.
What's wrong?
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, Louis Vuitton. Those sneakers. You asked me ukuthi ngifunani. Ngiyatshela ukuthi ngifunani uyacomplain.
Something you
Okay, it doesn't matter. Just give me something that I would like. I would love. If you are my brother, if you know me, you will know what to get. Ay, wena. I'm going to do one date because I'm going to one date because I'm I want something that I keep forever. Something that I'm going to say, yeah, my brother got me this.
Haven't gotten to the stage that I'll buy you a car yet. It's coming.
You won't buy me a car in your 50s, nigga. Yes, don't look at me like that.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah. In your 50s. Guys, bye-bye. Let me go.
Bye-bye.
My brother doesn't even look like me. He used to look like me, but now he doesn't. He needs to stop doing drugs. Stop doing drugs. You gonna make yourself ugly. You gonna make yourself. The ones. No.
Let's all.
Hey.
Listen.
Bring it here. Kids, don't do drugs.
Bring it here.
Truth is okay. Truth is okay.
Bring the phone.
Don't do fucking weed.
Here.
No, bitch. This is my phone.
Bring it.
My iPhone.
I want him to see the drug you're talking about. Pull up.
Look at the drug. Yeah,
What the
druggy.
fuck is the druggy there?
I know that druggy. Don't you do drugs?
Neither. What drug?
Herbs. Don't you do herbs?
Eh, now that's in permit. Jaramizong is permitting. Hey, bro, I place a planter too.
What?
It's legal.
What?
Nangoge. Huh?
But you look alike. No. We don't. Really?
I'm a cool jet.
It's getting Tado's fan.
Fan. Bitch, I ain't even on TikTok.
Amano wena uhamba nothando ubambe ingudu ngesandla.
Hi.
Really?
Do I deal with them?
Uhamba nami ubambe ingudu ngesandla. Henneken futhi.
As in, not even chilling out here. Bye-bye.
Mama vele wena uthi
Waiting you for free. So fuck you.
fuck you too, bitch. Uyabona sebayaqala manje. Like I literally don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I don't know anything. You catch. But there we go, guys. Good night. Ngiyanithanda nonke. Bengithi good night.